This is a question on vector algebra. To move from P to Q is a vector A, and from P to E is a vector B. We're asked to find the vector from P to R, and we're told in the question that P to R is equal to 3 times the vector P to E, which is otherwise 3b. If you're wondering why I underline it, it's because vectors are written in bold. Right, to go from Q to R, I'm going to follow the vector Q to P, and then from P to R. To go from Q to P is the opposite direction from P to Q, so it's minus A. And to go from P to R, we worked out in part 1. And I'm going to write my answer with 3b first because that's the positive term. From P to F, I'm going to follow a path P to Q, then Q to F. P to Q is A, and Q to F is 1/3 of Q to R, which is 1/3 of 3b minus A. Expanding the brackets and simplifying gives us 1/3 of 3b, which is B, and then we get minus 1/3 of A. We've already got an A here, so that's A minus 1/3 of A is plus 2/3 of A. Okay, part B. First of all, the vector E to F. To go from E to F, I'm going to follow the path from E to P, then P to Q, and then P to F, sorry, because we've already worked out P to F. Right, E to P is minus B, and then P to F is plus B, plus 2/3 A, which equals 2/3 of A. And the vector A is PQ, so it's equal to 2/3 PQ. And it's worth pointing out that there's a mistake in this question. They don't mean k is an integer, they mean that k is a fraction or a rational number.